Hello and welcome to this video for the Global Korea Scholarship Program, and we are actually explaining or discussing the undergraduate program for the Global Korea Scholarship Program. In this video I will give you the details about the recommendation letter, and the advantage for watching this video is that at the end of this video or the last part of this video I will give you a sample of the recommendation letter. Simply if your teacher or principal can follow the same lines or maybe add it a little bit according to your skills, then you can get a really strong recommendation letter. So first of all, we will start. You can see here I have a sample, so I will discuss it at the end. First of all, we will start with the recommendation letter form, which is form number 4, recommendation letter, and here you do not need to delete these. Just give this form either one page to your recommender or principal or teacher, whoever is your recommender. He will write his surname, given name, nationality. He can write it in computer, or if he is not easy or he feel not comfortable with computer writing, then this form he can write in, take a printout and write with the pen. So nationality, desired degree program, you will click the bachelor's degree, and intended major, so you will let him know that what major you want to study. For example, if you want to join the business administration for the undergraduate degree, or if you want to join the engineering and chemical engineering or something, so you should write, or he should write here. Then recommender's name, his full name. Recommender signature, he will put signature here, and if he has stamp, then it is more good that he should put stamp also here, or maybe this side. And he will write the date, position, like he is the math teacher, science teacher, or principal of the college or school or something. Then the school, full school name, address, his school address, right? And then zip code. Zip code is like postal code. You can write the city name in Google and write the postal code or zip code for city. You can say Islamabad, so you will get this one, but this is optional. If you have, you can write it. His email address, for the recommender's email address, you will write here, and telephone number, his telephone number, right? If he do not want to mention his personal phone number, he can write his school phone number, which is mostly available in the schools. So this is it, and he will read these all and he can understand better. So he will also read these things, that what they are actually looking for from, or what they expect from him. So he will write his relationship with you, like he was a math teacher or physics teacher, chemistry teacher, or he was principal or something. Then your strength, capabilities, skills, right? These things. So we should move to the presentation now. This will be the simpler pattern of your this recommendation letter. He will write, dear committee members for Global Korea Scholarship, right? And this is the authority he want to mention, he want to start with. And then here he will write the introduction or his relationship with you, and what he has the position in the school, or what position he works in the school or college. And then he will write about you, that you were among the one of the students in the class, or he is mentoring you during this year or something. Then after this paragraph, little bit 3 or 4 lines paragraph, he will start. I have 3 different colors for these lines. First paragraph, introduction. The second paragraph, about your skills, abilities, weaknesses, and positive things or strengths, right? He will mention here, and then he will give a strong recommendation letter. He can write kind regards, and his name, his position, address, email, phone number, right? So next, writing students introduction and recommender's relation here. Then the skills, like he can mention skills: hardworking, passionate, teamwork, adaptive, trustworthy, quick learner, problem solving, or whatever he thinks about you. Or he can also even write more what he actually saw in you. and then the last 3 or 4 lines he should write that I strongly recommend this, for example, student name, and then for the global Korea scholarship, and he should mention that if the authority give a chance to this student, he will prove that he is hardworking and he can adapt to the conditions, and he will complete this degree within time, and he can learn the Korean language because he is a quick learner and something like this. So this will be the pattern of your recommendation letter. After this pattern, I promised with you that I will give you a sample of the recommendation letter, and so within sample you will see a little bit difference. So this is just the page where he will write. Actually, full page can be any simple like white paper, or it can be the university or like school pad. Like this is the Comset Institute of Information and Technology. This is a university in Pakistan, right? So there is a campus. He can write recommendation letter. So if his school has some kind of this type of pad, he can print your this letter in that pad, or in word form he can put these details about his school and other things. Then the letter of recommendation, he is writing the introduction of the student, that he was the student at computer science class, and the recommender know him from September 2013 to date, for example, is 7 year or 4 year, whatever. Then after that he is writing his skills: aggressive, self-starter, investigate and analyze problems, recognize and initiate what needs to be done, and so he takes challenges, work quality, or he's a quick learner, something. Then after that he will further one of his matchless talent is the ability to grasp technical strenuous material on his own and come up with genuine and striking ideas. So kind of problem solving and hard working skills, and kind of innovative thinking about the students. So this is the second paragraph, which he divided actually into two, and the third one, I believe that this would be an excellent addition to any institution. I hope you will also find this attribute and potential attractive, and hope that you will favorably consider his application in your prestigious institute or for scholarship. And like he should write, I strongly recommend your name, and then for the global Korea scholarship program for the undergraduate degrees at maybe he can write in Korea. He can write, it would be better if he can generalize it, and then he can write, feel free to contact undersigned, and then kind regards, and his name and other details. So I hope this like sample will actually help you, that how your recommender can write a letter for you, or you can take the screenshot